Hello, my name is Viki Lareau. I wanted to make a short trailer for my new online course, Smart Jewelry Photography, Getting Professional Photos Using Only Your Smartphone. If we are just meeting, I used to own a big, beautiful retail brick and mortar store for over 25 years that sold tons of jewelry and jewelry making supplies and taught tons of jewelry making classes. We used to advertise for those classes making catalogs. Remember those? So that meant making a new catalog every 3 months that was full of photos. So that required taking tons and tons of jewelry pictures. I would do all the composition and styling, set it for all the pictures, but someone else would actually take those photos. When the shop closed and I decided to relaunch a similar brand, but completely online, well, I just started using my smartphone because the pictures were looking so good. I really think it was all my years of experience in composition and angles and things for the right jewelry setup, along with the new technology that's kind of made the right combination for me now to be able to share this with you. I actually helped several of my clients earlier this year by building their website and doing their pictures and things for them for their jewelry business, and then in turn teaching them so that they could do their further pictures and stuff themselves. Through that process, it really made me look at everything that I'm doing to get these great pictures. And so I thought I would put it together in an online course that anyone can really do. I promise there's no special apps or software or technology involved at all. The camera in our phone is now so great that through lighting and angles and things, you can get these great jewelry pictures. I do want to mention this really focuses on what I call fashion jewelry. When I would kind of look through other photo tutorials about jewelry, I would find them about like how to take pictures of my close-up gemstone ring, which is an important picture, but that's not really what this is about. I'm talking about fashion jewelry, my longer necklaces and my bracelets and bigger earrings, and building a fashion brand. That's what you're doing if you're a jewelry designer and you really want to build this business, is you're building a fashion brand. So we do what fashion designers do, which is building collections. So I do talk about defining your brand, a little bit about how to build a collection, but then how to take these great collection photos, because that is what's going to attract your buyers. So when we do a small collection of jewelry, a few 6 to 12 pieces, but then putting that together with the right backgrounds, the right props, everything that will send a beautiful brand message. It's like, this is who I am in one photo. We sprinkle those in your business along with the individual photos, which we do as well. But those brand photos, what happens is each individual piece complements the other, and in doing so elevates the entire collection, makes the entire piece look more attractive and creates more desire. And then the buyer wants to go in and look at those individual pieces. So we do that in real time in this course. I walk you through several different setups, as well as doing individual pictures, and then the product shots that we also need with just that plain white background that you also need to have in the Google algorithm. So the course goes through all that, logistical things, the lighting setup I use that costs less than $5 that anyone can duplicate, that I use every day. And again, some color theory, how to get the right backgrounds for your jewelry, the right simple props, all that, all the way through editing. Really simple editing that I use only on my phone camera app. Nothing, again, no outside app, nothing like that. But I have sold thousands of dollars and thousands of pieces of jewelry using only these methods. And now that we are 100% online, photos are more important than ever. And one thing I'm really excited about is a big photo gallery that you have. I printed it out, but you have it digitally. This course includes a photo gallery of over 100 pictures I've taken that shows the different setups for short necklaces, long necklaces, bracelets, earrings, or sets, right? And so you can just duplicate them. If you have something similar looking bracelet, you can just look at that and set it up the same way. So it's all there for you to use. So I'm really excited about putting out this new course, and I hope that you'll join me. I can't wait to hear any feedback. It's a privilege to be a part of your jewelry making journey, and again, I can't wait to hear feedback or see your photos and go from there. So thank you for listening to this, and until we meet again, sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Peace.